everyone, Pot Sam. Welcome to another At The Bench update. Before we get going today, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the little bell notifications, get notified of all our latest videos. Click the like button and leave a comment. I do read and reply to all the comments and appreciate everybody that takes the time to leave a comment on the channel. And of course, if you scroll up in the description, there's a link to a big long list of all the items I use in my videos. So if you see anything, you should be able to find it in there. So we're back with another bench update. It's been a while. I think it's been over 2 weeks since I last did one. Bit of an eventful week last week, which is my main reason for doing this today, because I need to change a couple of things. So for those who don't know, last Tuesday morning at 3 AM, I woke up with a crazy fast erratic heart rate. I was taken to hospital by ambulance and diagnosed with fast AF, which is atrial fibrillation. So basically that means top part of my half is just fluttering, bottom half's pumping, and it's just going absolutely crazy. So I spent about 13 hours in A&E, and then the rest of the 36 hours there in the cardio ward being monitored and given drugs and this and that. Finally got it under control, and I was released on Wednesday evening. So it was a worrying few hours in there, I'll admit that, quite scary and very, very strange sensation. But our wonderful NHS, phenomenal work, absolutely amazing work at Arrow Park Hospital, and I really can't fault that. So on a whole myriad of drugs, for all sorts of stuff, blood pressure, beta blockers, antiarrhythmic drugs, warfarin. So a few lifestyle changes needed, which I had already started because I got diagnosed with high blood pressure, around about, well, not diagnosed, but noticed high blood pressure just before Christmas. So I've been on a diet since the new year, lost a stone already, so I've already made some lifestyle changes, and this has now been a real good kick up the backside to carry on, which I would have anyway, to be honest, but needs must now, has to be done. So yes, not quite feeling myself at the minute, and definitely need to take a little bit of a step back, not a massive step back, just a little bit to keep the stress at bay and to keep calm. So what I'm asking everyone is, I still want to be able to do the video builds. I really enjoy doing them. They take up my time, the distraction, which is what this hobby for me is. It keeps me calm. But I will be building what I want when I want. So if I want to work on the bike, I'll do a bike video. If I'm going to do a car, I'll do a car. There'll be no armour and aircraft. I highly doubt you'll ever see me building those again. So people just need to understand that, you know, I've said this before, this is my hobby. I do this for a reason, to keep me calm, and it's even more important now. I've got a very good group of friends around me who are in the Off Air Hangouts, all good guys, really class them as top close friends. And yes, I just need to take a little bit of a step back. I'm going to have a week off many videos. This will be the last one you see off me till next week now. I'm going to work on, I'll show you quickly, in fact, we're going to work on that, which was a build I showed a while back. Tamiya's R35 Nissan GTR, and that is all glued together. No point me going overhead because it's just grey plastic. It's all glued together. Just needs de-seaming and it can be primed, and that's ready to go. And that's in that Katsura orange, this colour. Remember to put it in. So that's my build. That's going to keep me calm for the next week. I might do a Hot Wheels build. And that might be the next video you see off me. I don't know. We'll see. As soon as I come back, we're going to do the Chevelle because I'm looking forward to do that one. My gravity paint arrives today, so that's really cool as well. Been sent a lot of gravity paints to try. But it's a side note. The videos, I want to do them, but I don't want to keep getting pestered or asked, can you do this, can you do that? So I'm going to make videos of what I want to do. The bike, yeah, I want to work on the bike. I'm just really enjoying the road cars at the minute. And it's weird for me because I've never built so many road cars together. I've done the Fiat 500, the Ford GT, the Ford GT40, the Escort. We did the Supra. And that's it. So we've done quite a lot in a row. I've got future plans of builds I want to do. I'm not going to say them yet because every time I announce a build, one appears somewhere on Facebook, on ISM. It's getting a bit annoying now. It's like I give somebody a good idea and think, oh yeah, I'll build that. But I've got a few planned builds. I'm going to do a rally car, just a run-of-the-mill rally car, easy to get. Very much still to be a video build, but I've got one in the works. I've got another Ford I want to do as well. The Chevelle. A whole list of cars I want to do. And whilst I'm happy working on those, that's what I'm going to build. I'm not saying the bike's not going to get built. I'll get to it as and when I do. It's a big, involved build, that one. And I could quite easily say right now, I don't want to do it. But I do. So it'll sit there and it'll get picked out along the way as we go. We're on bodywork in a minute, which I'm going to admit is a little bit boring to do. It's probably one of the reasons I kind of don't want to get into it. So one day when I'm a bit slack and I'm not doing anything, I'll probably pick the bike back up. We'll get that next part out and it'll be like over the hump of the hill and we can progress. So I don't mind you asking at all, you know, what's the next video build, etc, etc. Just don't keep... I keep getting messages saying, oh, you need to build more armour and aircraft. That'd be great if I built any armour and aircraft, but I don't. I need to see armour reviews, which is great. I don't buy armour though, so I can't review it, can I? I'm not going to buy a kit to review. I've done that before. It's not a great thing to do. So yes, it's been certainly an interesting week last week. But blood pressure's coming down, heart rate's fine, heart's all good. So in the hospital nearly every day for blood tests for the warfarin. So once I get settled down and the side effects start kicking my ass a little bit, which they are at the minute, we'll get back into the swing of things. But this hobby, superb as always, been a great distraction for the rest of the week. The guys in the hangout, all my close friends, absolutely superb. Done a great job to keep me calm for the week. Helping out with the admin on the page and what have you. And that's the other thing, I'm going to take a bit of a step back from the admin on Facebook as well. It's one of the things that stresses me out the most. And people can be real arseholes. I can as well. I'm an arsehole deep down. And I'm the first to admit it. I'm a worse word than that, but I'm not going to say it on camera. So yeah, I'm going to take a bit of a step back. So I'll still do adminning, but you probably won't know it's me because I'm just going to start zapping posts rather than trying to explain to people you need to follow the rules, which we tried to do for a couple of years now, and it just doesn't work. People either say I'm moaning or it's too harsh. We'll just delete your post. You get an admin note over what you've done, and if you want to repost it, fire ahead. It's easy for me to do that way and less stressful and much, much quicker. So yeah, thanks for all the kind support I got on the page when I got home from hospital. That was very much appreciated. Thank you very much. And especially thanks to the guys who started moaning about not getting an airbrush he ordered from us in my thank you post to everyone, even though he didn't order the airbrush from us. Cheers, buddy. Thanks for that one. Just what I needed a day after I came out of hospital. Cheers. So yeah, there are some idiots out there, sadly. And that's the way of the world. It's one of those. I'm rambling now, so I'm going to start rambling. And that's it really. So I just want to chill out a little bit more. I do enjoy doing the videos. I enjoy doing the bench updates. I need content to the bench updates, and today it's this and the Escort I'm going to show you, which if you watch the build video you've already seen, but I'm going to show it as a matter of course anyway. So for content I need to model. To model I need to be relaxed enough to do it and not wound up or worrying or not want to work on something. So I'm just going to go with the flow at the minute. Enjoy these builds. I've got about another, let me see, 2 at least road cars I want to do. Sorry, 3 it'll be with the Chevelle. And then there's a rally car I really want to do as well. One I've never done before. I've done the variants of it. I haven't done this one though. So while that mojo is flowing, I'm sticking with it. And like I say, I'll pick the bike up. We will get back to that bike. Don't worry. It's otherwise I just say now I'm done. But we will get back to it. Right, let's have a quick look at this Escort. I'm going to get my iMovie open because it's easier for me to have the pictures going and scroll through. So, as you know, this was my 3-part build series of Tamiya's Escort Cosworth. I did it as a road car, track car kind of thing. And yeah, very happy how this came out. It was primed in UMPY primer. We base coated it in the MAD Imperial Blue touch-up pen, which was brilliant in Tamiya thinner. And then we cleared it with an unbelievably good Gravity 2K clear. The wheels we did in Mr. Hobby Superfine Silver, and the Oz rims look great on there. They're correct for that car. And that's it really. Interior, we did micro balloons on the seats. They turned out really, really well. And the usual photo etch and blue ribbon, not the biscuit bar, blue ribbon seat belts as well. And it came out really well. We've got a few dust spots. It's not 100% perfect because I didn't want to push the clear too much. but it did turn out well. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour and one of my favourite cars. And the other Ford I'm going to do is my other one. If you know me, you'll know exactly what that is. So yeah, it came out really well. We had some mesh to the front grille, but replacing the plasticky stuff you get with Tamiya kits. And obviously, with being a rally car, I chose the track car so I could keep the roll cage in and all the bits and bobs in there as well. So a little bit of a compromise to what it could be. I did have someone comment yesterday it looked better as a road car. It would. And I'm going to leave it there and be nice. It would, you're right, but it's not. So this is a track day car. There we go. And scratched a bit of the headlights as well. No twin headlights on the rally car. It's a blank with the Ford logo on, so we added that in as well. But very happy how it came out. It was an interesting build, and it looks really good in the display case over there. It's the only Escort Cosworth I get to own. So, yeah, that's that. So there we go. So, yeah, I'm going to work on the R35. I might do a Hot Wheels car. I've got that Jag to do there. If I do the Hot Wheels, I'll more than likely film it. It's really easy to film, but it won't be till next week anyway. So it might be the first video you see. They're very quick to do, one part. Doesn't take long to do it all. And then we're going to jump back in with that Chevy Chevelle. Like I said, we've got a load of gravity paints on the way. So they're really good. So there we go. So thanks to everybody who left a message on Facebook for me, and people who've contacted me by Messenger as well. It's much appreciated. And I'll say thanks to all the guys in the Hangouts for keeping me distracted and calm as well, which has been brilliant. And there we go. That's that. So as always, check out International Scale Model Facebook page and forum. Check out umpretail.com. We can get all the stuff, most of the stuff I show in these videos, including our amazing modular storage system, which is working really well at the minute. Check out the Live at the Bench page for the live show every Friday. We will be back this Friday. We had a week off last week because of me. Check the Off Air Hangout group. Come join our Off Air Hangouts. They have great fun. You'll come and have a laugh with us. We've had a few new people join lately. And yeah, they've enjoyed it and keep coming back as well. And check out my Paul ISM modelling page as well. That's where all my work gets shared. Although it goes on ISM, it all goes on there as well. It's much easier to find on there, and you can go over and have a look. And of course, sub to the channel, click the little bell notification, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I appreciate all the comments you all leave, and do try and reply to every single one that you do. So there we go. So I will see you all probably next time you see me in a video will be another bench update showing, hopefully, this R35 finished. And then we'll come back, get that Chevelle on the go, and go from there. So thanks for watching today. I'll catch you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.